The default font size for Excel spreadsheets can make readability difficult on smaller displays. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. When sharing spreadsheets, the person receiving it should never have to struggle to read and understand the data. We'll improve readability using the Zoom to Selection option. First, we'll start by clicking on the first cell over here, and then using the left pointer, go ahead and drag to select the cells that you'd like to make more readable, and then release. Then click on the View menu tab, which is right here, and from here click on Zoom to Selection. Everything is much more readable. And if you save the spreadsheet after making this change, Excel preserves this view and the spreadsheet will remain just as readable when you reopen it and share it with others. And you're done. I hope you benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.